Thank you, Honourable Speaker, and I also thank the Honourable Member. Honourable Speaker, to begin with, most of the sports organizations here in Fiji are governed or affiliated to the world body. And in terms of player welfare is very well covered under those rules and regulations. Honourable Speaker, just briefly on the steps what ministry has taken. In 2013, Honourable Speaker, the Ministry for Youth and Sports had implemented a safety in sports participation policy after wide consultation with stakeholders and national sports federations. Honourable Speaker, currently the Ministry is working with the Fiji National Sports Commission, Oceania National Olympic Committee, Oceania Regional Anti-Doping Organization, conducting public and stakeholder consultation around the country on the National Sports and Physical Activity Policy and the National Anti-Doping and Drug Policy and Child Protection Policy. Honourable Speaker, at this stage, it is necessary and very important to seek help from stakeholders to fine-tune and make adjustments to the policy before it is finalized. Honourable Speaker, a copy of this finalized policy will be submitted to the technical team at the World Anti-Doping Agency based in Canada and other national stakeholders for vetting. Honourable Speaker, that is in the terms of steps taken by the Ministry at this point in time. And Honourable Speaker, in the process and moving forward, the Ministry endeavours to put all these policies together and formulate our legislation. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.